Do you think you have a good understanding of English vocabulary? Today's lesson is a challenging quiz to test your knowledge. Choose the best word to complete each sentence. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. Then keep watching and I'll show you the correct answer. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. This medicine is from a tropical plant. A. Deprived, B. Derived, or C. Derisive. The correct answer is B. Derived. This medicine is derived from a tropical plant. If something is derived from something else, it means it came from there. It originated there. Number 2. The new law will the entire community. Everyone will be affected. A. Impact, B. Impede, C. Impress. The correct answer is A. Impact. The new law will impact the entire community. Everyone will be affected. The verb impact means to affect something. Number 3. My coworker was fired for accessing the manager's computer without his A. Consensus, B. Consent, or C. Contempt. The correct answer is B. Consent. My coworker was fired for accessing the manager's computer without his consent. Consent is another word for permission. It can be used as a noun or a verb. Number 4. Your idea was good in theory. There were just a few problems with the A. Implantation, B. Implementation, or C. Implication. The correct answer is B. Implementation. Your idea was good in theory. There were just a few problems with the implementation. Implementation refers to putting things into practice. Number 5. As a teacher, my primary concern is the of my students. A. Welcome, B. Well off, or C. Welfare. The correct answer is C. Welfare. As a teacher, my primary concern is the welfare of my students. Welfare is another word for well-being, referring to general health and happiness. Number 6. Your performance are expectations. Good job. A. Exceeded, B. Excelled, or C. Accept. The correct answer is A. Exceeded. Your performance exceeded our expectations. Good job. To exceed means to be more than or higher than a certain level. Number 7. Senator Jones is an for a higher minimum wage. She says everyone deserves to make a fair living. A. Adversary, B. Advisor, or C. Advocate. The correct answer is C. Advocate. If you are an advocate for a cause, it means you support that cause and work to make it happen. Number 8. If you don't stop overspending, you'll run out of money. A. Inestimably, B. Inevitably, or C. Inexhaustibly. The correct answer is B. Inevitably. If you don't stop overspending, you'll inevitably run out of money. If something is inevitable, it means it is impossible to avoid. It will definitely happen. Number 9. Fortunately, the storm caused only damage to the building. A. Minimal, B. Minimize, or C. Minimum. The correct answer is A. Minimal. Fortunately, the storm caused only minimal damage to the building. If something is minimal, it means it is very small. Number 10. I wasn't feeling well, so I was to go to the party. A. Reliant, B. Relinquished, or C. Reluctant. The correct answer is C. Reluctant. I wasn't feeling well, so I was reluctant to go to the party. If you are reluctant to do something, it means you don't want to do it, so you hesitate. How did you do? Leave a comment under this video with your score. If you can improve your vocabulary, you'll have a lot more ways to express yourself in English. You'll be able to say exactly what you want, instead of trying desperately to think of the right word. Sometimes students ask me for lists of the most common words in English, but I don't think memorizing lists is the best way to study. Instead, you should learn words in context, in families, topics, and with visual aids, pictures. What's even more important is to practice the new words so that you don't forget them.